Yesterday my turbo sounded normal. Today it sounds like this. I could be wrong, but I feel like this might have something to do with things. Well, like any normal person does, I have multiple turbos sitting up in my attic, and so I just grabbed the one that felt the best in the bearings, swapped out the compressor wheel to the one that was on the crap turbo, and we're gonna send it. And what better way to test a turbo of unknown condition than going on a trip out of state and several hours from home? I don't see where anything could possibly go wrong with that. Oh, that's a good sign. Apparently, attic turbos are perfectly fine.